abot og 1 meter siya. Kay 1 meter diri man ta.
Needs, Roger, this is how it looks now. Yeah.
1 meter mga
Okay.
straight yun.
So, dito is saying we really need more water to sprinkle it so that they will grow evenly.
Mga straight ba kay kung ato
If you will notice, the pak choy are not growing evenly at the lower portion. It needs a lot of sprinkling. When the soil is dry, gets to dry, Litoy has to sprinkle.
kani sila tanan let mo na sila no.
Oh. Ano na repolyo dia, Toy?
Gusto kong tanong repulyo.
Asang repolyo, Toy?
Bago pa kita no, bago pa.
Okay. I'm going to the cabbage area now. I'll change this.